Want to play Digimon Up on your iPhone? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can play Digimon Up on your device. First thing first, make sure you have installed the application on your device. Once installed, click on it and move into it. Now wait for a while. It will land you on this page. You need to download the required informations. Once downloaded, this interface will appear on your screen. You have to choose your appearance. Choose the skin, eye color, your dress, shoes, and many more. Once you have selected all it, click on confirm. Now you have to select your partner. You can choose any one of it. Once you have selected, tap on choose. Now simply follow all of the on-screen process. After that, you have to select your username for your game. Once you have entered, tap on done. Click on OK. Once again, follow the on-screen process. Now it will lead you to the battlefield where you can play the game. Once you're in this space, you can use all of the features at the below and simply play the game according to your need. So this is simply how you can play Digimon Up on a device. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.